At 5AA3 at 0 equals COB at H. 2B5E equals 388 ACE33 at 0 equals C8 at 20 equals 80075 at 3 at 0 equals C. Equals 02 KE45032885B at 2. At 03 at 0 equals C. At C0. C5 at 5A8 20 equals 8520 AB8 equals KA8 EA54 CNI8 at 07 at CH5 equals 85 equals 03 B2 K53 at 0 equals CK. At KH5 equals K93 at 0 equals COB at 40 ACE33 at 0 equals C8 at 20 equals 80 at H. 2 KE0AA2D0 at 0 F52B8 G5A at 872 4AB25. At 872.48 B5L equals ABLN1 to 68, 3 at 02 G0A0 B5 at 80, equals 5 at 6025 NI0 AB0L 450L equals 40 at 872 4AB23 at 0 equals C, 87 at H. 2B at K5 equals 5L70 C206 equals OBL.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.